Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the second group. Today we are going to discuss about independence curriculum. In independence curriculum we got TP, TP, ATP, then teaching module. Then we have Pancasila student profile that consisting of 1. Believing, fearing the Almighty God and having a noble character, 2. Independent, 3. Work together, 4. Global diversity, 5. Critical reasoning, and 6. Creative. What is assessment? The word assessment comes from the English language, namely assessment, which means assessment. In the world of education, assessment is a series of activities that include data collection, analysis, and interpretation, which aim to determine student level of understanding and performance during the learning process. The purpose of assessment is monitoring the development of student learning process, checking fulfillment of learning outcomes, and providing grades for students' learning process and outcomes.
In the preparation of the assessment, there are three domains that must be considered as knowledge, skill, and attitude. Number one is knowledge. Knowledge are understanding of concept and information related to the subject matter. Number two is skill. Skill is ability to apply knowledge in particular or contextual situation. Number three is attitude. Attitude is behavior and value that are reflected in response and action to certain subject matter or situation.
Form of assessment divided into three assessments, namely 1. Summative assessment is a form of assessment that is usually carried out at the end of the learning period. 2. Formative assessment is an important aspect of the independent curriculum. In a formative assessment, teacher continuously monitors student progress through the learning process. They include the use of small text, class discussion, small project, and regular feedback. And the last, project assessment, is one aspect that is highly recommended in the independent curriculum. Students are given assessment to carry project or work that reflects the understanding of the learning material.
Instruments in assessments in teaching models are tools or methods used to collect data or information related to students' understanding and ability to understand learning material. These instruments can be tests, quizzes, projects, or other forms of evaluation designed to measure the level of achievement of learning objectives.
Okay, the techniques, there are 7 techniques. Number 1, observation. Assessment are carried out or continuously through regular behavior observation. Observation can be focused on all students or on individual basis. Number 2, performance. Assessment, they require students to demonstrate and apply their knowledge in various contexts according to the described criteria. Number 3, for project. Assessment activity for a task which include design, implementation, and reporting activities, which must be completed within a certain period or time. Number 4, written test, with question and answer present in writing to measure or obtain information about student abilities. Written tests can be in the form of essay, multiple choice, description, and other form of written tests. Number 5, oral test. Providing problems or questions that require students to answer them orally and can be given classically done to whole class or large group during learning. Number 6, assessment. Giving assessment to students to measure knowledge as well as facilitating students to gain or improvement knowledge. Last, portfolio. A collection of documents resulting from assessment award and student work in particular file which refer to overall holistic development for RK period of time. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.